Welcome to Research Rocks. Today's video we will see one more interesting video related on which bank is the best to get home loan here in Copenhagen, Denmark. And today someone is joining with me to explain entire information.
So hello all, welcome to our channel. In this video, as mentioned, we will tell about which is the best bank from our experience to buy a home loan here in Denmark. So we have, as we have mentioned, the complete detailed process how to buy a property in Denmark. So we suggest you to refer that video before switching here. So once you have the property, the next step is to approach the bank. We also mentioned a website that is findbank.dk where you can get offers from different banks. From our experience, so this is our second house in Denmark. So from our experience, we had the first home loan with Danske Bank.
And that time we are paying as a 20% down payment. If our house price is 2 million Danish krona, so we are paying 200,000 Danish krona. So this is a down payment ratio of 20% and 80%. Yeah.
So the next time, as we have lived for more than 2 years, now the down payment ratio has come a little lower for us. The best bank from our experience after dealing with this many banks for many months, the best bank what we found out is Sparekassen Bank.
Yeah, Sparekassen bank detail is also available on video description. Why we switch as a Danske Bank to Sparekassen Bank? Because of currently we are almost 5 years is completed. As a Danish law are already explained the entire information. If you already completed 5 years, so you can get as a down payment perspective 5% down payment and you can purchase the property.
Again, it depends on your profile and how much you can what is the estimated budget of your house.
The house estimated budget and how much loan you get, those factors are depend upon how much gross salary of yours. You are earning 1% or 2%. We are earning 2%. Both are data scientists working on IT industry. So that perspective, we have already purchased one apartment and now we are purchasing one villa around 120 meter build-up area and around 700 meter in garden area here in Rolova. Next video I will explain you the tour of my villa. So here two factors comes here. Initially we discuss with the same bank to how to get loan, how much percentage we are paying. So bank are reduced like a 20% to 10%. But we are like the house around 4 million. So if you want purchase as a 4 million villa, so you need to take a down payment at least 400,000 Danish krona. And this is a huge number for us. And after that, the 400,000 plus 50,000 is extra charges to convert the property one name to another name and lawyer fees and some other taxes. So this is a huge number for us. So that perspective, we are find out the different types of banks and finally we are find one of the best bank, our experience, and that bank name is Sparekassen. Bank detail is also available on video description. Even the person name is a Nicolai.
Our housing advisor.
Our housing advisor for the bank. His name is a Nicolai and his contact detail, email address is also available on video description. You can contact with them and provide our reference like a Monica and Sangram are suggesting me to discuss with them. He will definitely help you and give it to you best offer and best discount offer also.
The good point about our housing advisor is like he explained very much in detail about like what is the loan process, how much you need, what is the mortgage loan, how much you can credit, how much you have to be like with the money when you are purchasing some amount. So he'll explain you very well.
Very well. If you have no mathematical knowledge, so still you can very easily understand about the numbers, how much interest rate, what is the price, and he explained entire like after if you purchase the house like a 4 million Danish krona, how much EMI monthly you need to pay, like a divide by 2, 80% and 20%, how much amount is 20% come, how much amount is 80% comes, and the explanation is very crystal clear. So no doubt we are very much happy to deal with this new house advisor. At that point of view, we are making this video specially for the house advisor and other people also helping if someone are buying the property, especially villa or apartment in Denmark, Copenhagen. So definitely you can discuss with this advisor.
So he is very reachable. He answers your any queries, whatever silly questions comes in mind, because we are like first time, second time buyers. Again, the process quite seems to be very complex. So if from that perspective also he helps a lot. So overall it was very nice experience with Sparekassen Bank and with Nicolai. So we definitely suggest and give a thumbs up to him for all his services in this entire process.
Here I can explain here two points. Like one bank are providing the loan, but initially they are told us you sell the old apartment and then we are give it to you the loan, and but loan amount is a 10% is a compulsory. So if you purchase the like a 4 million house, so you need to pay like a 400,000 Danish krona is a huge number. But after we are reaching the Nicolai and the Sparekassen Bank, they are offering us no need to sell the old house. You can buy the new villa around 3.8 million to 4 million in between, and they are providing as a loan. You need to pay just only 5%. This is a very positive point for us because of we like the house, we want to purchase the villa, but we have no 400,000 Danish krona or big amount of down payment. So this is one of the advantage. They are offering us like a 5% after 5 years.
So again, just to note here, it depends on your profile, it depends on your gross salary, it depends how long have you stayed here in Denmark. It depends also on your expenses, how much is the budget, how much savings you can make every month. So there are many factors to be considered here while bank is proposing you some number around down payment or about rate of interest and everything. So it varies from profile to profile, but this is the rough estimation from our experience and from our point of view.
Like here I can give it to you one demo. If you want purchase like a 4 million house, so you need to pay at least 250,000 in your account. Then after you can very easily discuss with the bank. You can inform the bank we have such kind of amount in bank account, and after that bank very easily entertaining you. If you have like 100,000 and 60,000 Danish krona, so this is not workable. At least if you want buy villa, so at least your account minimum balance is like a 200,000 Danish krona.
Yeah, so this is how we bought a very nice home loan from Sparekassen Bank, and we had a very nice experience from Nicolai, the housing advisor. So we just wanted to again mention thank you to him.
You can do this process and fulfill your dream house like a villa, apartment or any other places. So this is a simple information. If you have any question, you can comment me. We are definitely reach out to you and solve your problem. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.